Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Curiosity to Study. Today I will be sharing the video of which books you all should prefer in class 10th along with side books also and NCERT books also. So let's begin our video. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, I'm having science book, then mathematics book. So let's start with science book. Okay. So this is NCERT book of science which contains all the parts physics, chemistry and biology. This is must, you have to purchase this. The book which I'm having is of old edition, means the deleted portion, deleted chapter is also there in this book. You have to purchase the book which is of new edition, newly published, in which deleted portion will not be there, like periodic classification of elements will not be there in newly edited book, means with the book which is published this year. So yes, this is of NCERT. Then side book chemistry I'm having, which is part 2, and it's of Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur S. Chand publication, S. Chand school publication. Okay, this is chemistry. Let's start. I recommend you all this book because it contains very simple words and easy language so that you can understand it very easily. So in class 9th also I purchased the same book, and yes, in 10th also I recommend you the same book. Please go through it. You will see many questions like case based questions, activity based questions also you will see in this, and also NCERT in text question, NCERT back exercise questions are also there in this book. So I highly recommend you to please go through these books. And yes, this is of Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur. So yes, you can buy this book. Next book is biology, again of Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur. This is also a Chand book. Please go through this book, and again it is my favorite subject, so I highly recommend you all to go through this book. It contains very simple words and also easy language to understand. One can understand by reading the book. No need to see extra such long YouTube videos. So yes, it also contains your NCERT exercise questions and text questions, also case based questions, activity based questions, and yes, it also contains assertion reason questions, which is very important because this year 50% objective questions will come. Okay, so yes, this is Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur book. Go through it, and it cost only 649 rupees. So yes, go through it. Of physics, I'm having exact textbook series of Vinesh and Dinesh. So yes, I recommend you this book for your 10th preparation. This is very good books, as again I'll say it contains easy words, easy language, and of physics it's very good book, as it contains your activity based questions, also gives you question based on all types, objective questions, assertion reason question, in-text question, mind maps, flow chart like this. So it is very good book. I recommend you all to go through this book. It contains your NCERT books questions also, right? And text question, exercise questions, activity based questions. So this is very good book. You should go through it, and it's physics exact textbook series. Book name is, so you can go and buy this, S. Vinesh, S. Dinesh, which cost only 465 rupees. So yes, go through it. Next book which I'm having is of mathematics. Again, NCERT books for all the subject is necessary. You have to do your exam preparation, board exam preparation from this book only. This is NCERT mathematics book. Okay, so yes, the deleted portion I have marked through pencil because again I have purchased the book too early, so it's of old edition. I recommend you all to please buy the new edition book if you have not purchased till yet. But yes, I am having old edition book, but it's not a problem. It's also good. I have marked the deleted portion in my book. You can also mark it. Okay, so yes, it's very simple kind. Again, the next thing which I recommend you, next book which I recommend you for mathematics is R.S. Agarwal, which is again very good books for practicing lots of questions. Okay, so this is for class 10th. It's also not newly edited book. It contains all the questions which are from deleted part, like this year your real number, Euclid division lemma is deleted, construction chapter is deleted, but in this book it is there. In NCERT also it is there, but you will see in newly edited book it will not be there. It is of RS Agarwal. You please go through this book because it contains many questions you can practice through. Okay, so yes, I have shown price also 885. You can buy. I also suggest you that don't do the deleted portion of your chapters because it will not come in board exam, so no need of to study that chapters and deleted portion one. Third book which I recommend you all is R.D. Sharma. After the two books, the third book which you should prefer is R.D. Sharma, which contains lot of questions which are came in CBSE also in board exams. It contains that questions also. In R.S. Agarwal also CBSE questions are there, and in this book also, but in this book some questions are also there which are not related to topic. So I'll partially recommend you this book but not highly recommend. You should go first of all with NCERT, then R.S. Agarwal, and then R.D. Sharma. Okay, so I hope so all the three books are clear to you guys. First NCERT, RS, and then RD. Then this is the register book which I had made for doing maths questions. Yes, so I have done at least two chapters, real numbers and polynomials. You can see along with the questions I have also done examples of both the chapters, polynomials and real numbers. Okay, so I hope so you liked my copy and also the handwriting. So yes, this is my maths notebook. Now let's start with Hindi book. For Hindi I am not having any side book. I am having Kshitij Bhag 2. Okay, so yes, it contains chapters and also poems. And yes, again old edition book as I have purchased too early, so I have marked the deleted portion with pencil in my book. And again a recommendation to buy new edition only if you have not purchased till yet. If purchased, mark the deleted portion with pencil or pen. I'm having Kritika Bhag 2 of Hindi, and as I told you I'm not having any side book for Hindi till now. If I'll purchase, I'll also tell you guys to buy that book, but yes, not till yet. I have not purchased because I think NCERT is enough. Now coming back to our books, English first flight, NCERT only. It is NCERT book, no side book I have purchased till now for English also. So first book is First Flight. It again contains deleted portion which is chapter number 6. It is deleted this year, you don't have to study that chapter. Okay, the second book which is there for English is Footprints Without Feet. So yes, purchase this book. It is NCERT books only, so low cost, you can see. And yes, again it contains stories and all. And if I'll buy any of the side book, reference book for English, I'll do tell you guys to buy it, but till then it's okay. Now for history, social science, I'm having India and the contemporary world. It is history book for class 10th. So let's start. And it is not side book, it is NCERT book which you have to purchase. And yes, it is not too costly, it is too low cost book. And yes, as I told you, this is for class 10 NCERT textbook it is. Let's start. It contains history portion only, and in history again I told you once, all the books which I'm having is old edition, and I have marked like this year this which chapter will come of how many marks. So yes, one chapter is there which will only come in your UT exam or PT exam, not in board exams. So yes, this is history textbook which I am having, no side. Yes, I am having side book for not particularly history but for all the subject all in one. I'll show you that also. But this is economics book which is understanding economic development book. This is also NCERT textbook for class 10. You can see NCERT book, no side book. Okay, so again all the books are so cheap of NCERT. So yes, this I'm having of economics which is too easy. It contains 2 easy chapters. So I hope you are getting which book to purchase. NCERT for all the subject is must. You have to first purchase NCERT because boards also say first priority is NCERT. Again, Next, I'm having geography book, which is Contemporary India for class 10th. This is also your ncert book, contains chapters which are deleted also. So yes, I don't think so any chapter is deleted in geography, but I'm not confirmed till yet because I have not marked in this book. But yes, you can go through your CBSE site and check it out. Okay, so this is for history, geography and civics. Okay, not civics. Civics is not until yet. Civics, I'm having democratic politics part 2. Okay, this is civics or political science, you can say. This is also your ncert textbook, which contains everything, every portion of the chapter. First chapter is your power sharing, and very easy chapter. I recommend you to go through this chapter. It's very easy chapter. Yes, so this is civics book. Now comes the side book, okay, for SST, all in one I'm having for class 10th, and this is highly recommended to you all guys. It's very very good book, as it is all in one. First of all, history, geography, civics and economics, and this is of Arihant publication. You can go through it. Arihant publication, you must buy this book. It depends on you, and its price is also so cheap, 445 rupees. You can go through it. It's very good as it contains first of all your 4 parts in one book only, and not just that, it contains all the chapters. You can go through it. Not only the questions that are in this chapter, also the summary of the chapter, also the detailing of the chapters are there, as I'll show you in this chapter. Like first chapter is rise of nationalism in Europe. You can see all the chapter is explained here briefly. You can see checkpoints are also there here, and summary also is there of this chapter. And again, questions are there according to picture based question, case based question. Questions are also there which have been came in CBSE, okay, in board exam. Like this question, see, it has came in 2011. So all the questions, all the types of questions are there in this book. So I recommend you to go through it. Exam practice like questions are there, MCQ question, subjective questions along with answer in this book is there. So yes, please go through this book. It depends on you. If you want, you can go through this book. Now, as I took AI in class 9th, I had to go through it in class 10th also. So this is artificial intelligence book of Orange publication, code 417. In this book, half of the portion contains theory based chapters, and then half of the chapter is of Python and advanced Python. Like this type of chapters are there. And yes, this book is also recommended to me by our school, which is Orange publication, and cost is not too much. You can go through it. So thank you.